Welcome to Web3WAR, the future of first-person shooters. Step into the world of Web3WAR, a free-to-play, multiplayer first-person shooter that pushes the boundaries of skill-based gameplay and blockchain technology. Test your abilities in an unforgiving virtual battleground where only the best shall prevail. Web3WAR is all about high skill and fast-paced action. You can compete in diverse game modes like Deathmatch, Kill Confirmed, and Gun Game. Whether you're battling it out in a team-based match or going solo in a free-for-all, there's always a challenge waiting for you. Getting started. Ready to join the war? Start by creating a Fusion 1 account. Once you've registered, download Web3WAR on your PC and install it. It's really that simple. Gameplay mechanics. Master the intuitive mechanics of sliding, jumping, or leaning to outmaneuver your opponents. Precision and key reflexes are the key to dominating in this virtual battleground. Let's see their Season 2 trailer.
Grenade out! Throwing grenade!
Customization and loadouts. You can customize your loadout to suit your playstyle. Choose from a wide selection of weapons, attachments, and equipment. Each customization affects your weapon's performance, so you need to find the right balance to gain the upper hand. Skill2Earn System. Earn rewards for your skills with the Skill2Earn System. Dominate your opponents to earn $FPS tokens and in-game skins. These rewards are yours and can be traded or sold thanks to the power of blockchain technology. Web3WAR leverages the Zilliqa blockchain to secure your tokens and skins. This high-performance blockchain ensures that your in-game assets are truly yours and that you can sell them or trade them as you wish. Game modes and Season Pass. Enjoy unranked game modes or elevate your experience with the Season Pass. Compete in ranked matches, unlock exclusive skins, and access new seasonal content. Prove your dominance and earn more $FPS tokens in ranked play. Ambassador Program. Become a Web3 warrior by joining the Ambassador Program. Gain exclusive benefits, early access to new seasons, and help shape the future of Web3WAR. Don't wait. Download Web3WAR today and dive into the action. Sign up for the Ambassador Program and showcase your skills in ranked matches to win $FPS tokens. Are you ready to become a legend on the battlefield? Links and community. Join the Web3WAR community on Telegram for the latest updates and connect with fellow players. Visit w3w.game to download the game and join the Fusion 1 hub. Web3WAR unique features. Web3WAR offers regular seasonal updates, bringing new skins, weapons, game modes, and maps. You get to customize your character and weapons with a constantly growing selection of cosmetic skins and stickers, all minted as NFTs on the Zilliqa blockchain. Truly own your in-game items and trade them on the Market 3 on the Fusion 1 Gaming Hub. Competitive play. Compete in ranked matches through the Season Pass, featuring improved graphics and additional game mechanics. Earn $FPS tokens through the Skill2Earn System, which rewards skilled players for their performance. Season Pass holders gain access to exclusive seasonal content and cosmetic items. Fusion 1 Gaming Hub. Web3WAR is downloaded and launched through the Fusion 1 Gaming Hub. Registering an account creates a wallet on the Zilliqa blockchain where your tokens and skins are securely stored. The Fusion 1 Gaming Hub supports a marketplace for trading NFTs and tokens related to the games on the platform. Web3WAR Community. Join the growing Web3WAR community, engage with fellow players on our Telegram channel, stay updated on new releases, and participate in community events. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press that bell notification button for more updates on Web3WAR. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Web3WAR version 3.2 is live with Season 2 content and an exciting Season Pass. Join the battle, earn rewards, and become a legend. Visit w3w.game to download now.